Hi everyone, I just thought I'd make a quick video to show you what's coming up in the next 3 videos. I was hoping to get the helmet video out last night, which is Friday night our time in Australia, and it's just been a busy week, so that didn't happen. But as you can see, it's almost there. I'm just at the point now, I'm just putting detail on, and I'll put the hoses on and then fit out the interior, or just line out the interior with geometry, and then get it ready for 3D printing, make sure it's all good to go. So that video will be coming, probably won't be Tuesday, it'll probably be Friday. I'm trying to get to a point where I'm putting a video out every Friday, Australian time, Friday evening, and then possibly a second one on a Tuesday, Australian time, a Tuesday evening. So that's what I'm working towards. So the next project that you'll probably see will be the little project I did for Joseph. Joseph made some comments on one of my videos, and I could sense his frustration in what he was trying to achieve. So I offered to help Joseph out and model that particular part he's trying to model, and then make a video so he can see how I did it. So what I'm going to change that video around a little bit. I've made the part, Joseph already has it. I've recorded the footage of me making it, but I'm going to show you 3 ways of making the same object in Blender. So that'll be, I'm aiming for that video to be going up Tuesday evening Australian time. So it'll be this particular part modelled 3 different ways, and just show you the time differences and the benefits, the pros and cons of each method. So Tuesday, look out for Joseph's part. On the following Friday, look out for Jennifer's helmet. Jennifer is the person who contacted me to ask about how to make a helmet like this particular helmet. And the following Tuesday, I'm doing a video where I'll show you how to add detail to polygon meshes. So detail to models that you may have downloaded from Thingiverse, for instance, which are STL files, but you just want to add a little bit of detail to those models, whether it be wood grain or terrain geometry, using techniques like depth maps or height maps. But I'll also show you a few other little ways of getting quickly adding detail to your models as well. So that video was prompted and instigated by Martin, who did ask how to achieve such a thing in Blender, or if it was easy, and it is easy. It's pretty straightforward. So I'll show you how to do that in the video, the 3rd video. So I think that about wraps it up. So Tuesdays and Fridays, look out for videos. That'll be my target. If I can only get out 1 video for the week, it'll be on a Friday. This is all dependent on whether additional work, paying work, comes in, because obviously I'm not earning any money from my print very good projects I'm working on, so I have to take on paying work. But while I've got a bit of a break, I can certainly invest the energy into making these videos, which I hope to do eventually, long term, be able to do print very good full time. That's my goal. But for now, I've got to strike a balance between taking on paying work and doing my print very good projects. So I think that's it for this video. Otherwise I'll keep rambling. So thanks very much for watching. Look out for the videos, and I'll see you again soon.